So what we have here now is I'm simulating a ground loop which detects a vehicle approaching an intersection, and this has got a day and a night mode based on the detection from the street light over there. So currently it's daytime, so what it's doing is cycling through its normal red, yellow and green sequence during the daytime. But what happens is at night time it changes to red. So now it stays red until the vehicle approaches. Okay, and there it goes green. Now while the vehicle is in the intersection, it extends the green time. Okay, now the vehicle is through the intersection, and now the green time carries on counting down. It's going to do its normal thing where it cycles through yellow to red, like that, and now it goes back to waiting. Now let's do that again. So there the vehicle is going to approach again, and it goes green, and the vehicle can proceed. Now it's going to go back to red. So that's nighttime mode for your traffic intersection over there. So as always, the code is in a pinned comment. You can have a look at what has been done here. Also you'll notice that the street lights get dimmed at night time. So when I turn the house lights back on here again, the LEDs become brighter again. So that's it, like that. So it's PWM controlling these LEDs over here. So at night it's not so hard on the eyes, like that, and you can see it dimming, but it's still nice and visible in the dark. So that's a little it's a little upgrade on our traffic light, and this will be lesson 3. This was not part of the original program, but I decided to add it as it's a real life thing. It's an interesting thing. Be interesting to learn how it works and see how it works. So that's it. It's going to conclude this lesson, and for the rest, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you found this interesting, enjoyed it, learned something here. And today I got this over here right. Previous lessons, there were differences there. I had them swapped around. I had street light and smart crossing swapped around between those two lessons on the signage. That was the Easter egg. Alright, that's going to conclude it. Take care, have an awesome day further. We'll see you next time for more awesome stuff. Alrighty, bye.